Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on AIXCoder. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in AIXCoder.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official AIXCoder website where you can click on the English button at the top right corner to change the language into English. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login section instead of Personal Center. So click on this button and log into your account using your OTP code or your password. Once you log into your account, you will end up within this home page. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your password, hover over to the Personal Center icon and then click on Account Management. Now, from this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the Login Password section. Alongside this button, you will find the Reset or the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to enter your phone number or your email address. Go ahead and type in your phone number or the email address that you used to sign up for your account, and then click on the Get Verification Code button. You will then receive a verification code in the email address or your phone number. So go ahead and check your inbox and then enter the code that you receive within this verification box. Then you will be allowed to enter your new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type in your new password once again to confirm it. Then click on the confirm button and now your password will successfully be changed on AIXCoder. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on AIXCoder. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.